Hello everyone, welcome to the Upfront. We witness a significant shift in the political landscape of Delhi as Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal announces his resignation. His decision, which follows 6 months of freedom after the Supreme Court granted him bail in the Delhi liquor policy case, has sent shockwaves across the political spectrum. At the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters, Kejriwal stated that he would not continue as Chief Minister under restrictive bail conditions which prevent him from entering the Secretariat or signing important files. In solidarity, Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia, who was also granted bail after 17 months in prison, has declared he will only return to office after winning an election. Kejriwal has proposed holding Delhi's assembly elections in November alongside Maharashtra, though they were initially scheduled for February next year. His message to the people is clear. Both he and Sisodia will only resume office after passing the Agni Pariksha or trial by fire, in which people must reaffirm their trust in them. The decision to resign now speaks volumes about Kejriwal's approach to governance. He rose to prominence by fighting corruption, and now, after 17 months in jail under the shadow of corruption allegations, he seeks to rebuild his image. Aam Aadmi Party's grassroots initiatives on issues like water, electricity, education, and women's welfare had once garnered immense public support, particularly in Delhi, Punjab, and Haryana. Even as the BJP has surged in national politics, Aam Aadmi Party has remained a party with a strong agenda of addressing the problems of the common people. However, the corruption allegations tied to the liquor policy have put Kejriwal's party under a cloud of suspicion, undermining its once clean image. Aam Aadmi Party, a party that built its foundation on anti-corruption values, is now fighting to prove its integrity. Kejriwal and his party realized that the BJP's actions to link them to corruption could cause irreversible damage. But instead of backing down, Kejriwal has chosen to use this challenge as a rallying cry, portraying it as the cost of their fight against corruption. He plans to leverage the Supreme Court's bail verdict, which criticizes central agencies for their undue haste to expose what he describes as BJP's revenge politics. Kejriwal's announcement is more than a resignation, it's a strategic move. The stringent bail conditions, which prevent him from fully exercising his powers as Chief Minister, make it impossible for him to continue in office effectively. Moreover, the recent amendments that curtail the powers of the Delhi government, placing more authority in the hands of the Lieutenant Governor, have made governance in Delhi even more challenging. In light of these obstacles, Kejriwal's decision to step aside and call for elections has struck a chord with many, forcing his political opponents to react. As we move forward, Kejriwal's next steps will determine the future of Delhi's political landscape. While the resignation has raised eyebrows, it is a part of a larger strategy to regain the trust of the people and highlight the challenges his administration has faced in the battle against corruption and central control. That's all for today. If you like the content we provide, please subscribe to the Upfront and press the bell icon to get notification of all our updates. Please share our videos and educate others. Thank you.